हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सक्सेस ड्रीम पाथ। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हम लोग पार्ट 6 तक कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं प्रैक्टिस कंप्यूटर का। तो आज की क्लास में हम लोग चैप्टर 7 करेंगे, कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी एंड प्रोग्रामिंग। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1461। अभी हम लोग 50% से ऊपर कर चुके हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी? सिस्टम प्रोटेक्शन। व्हाट इज साइबर सिक्योरिटी? डिजिटल सिक्योरिटी। व्हाट इज अ वायरस? हार्मफुल प्रोग्राम। व्हाट इज एंटीवायरस सॉफ्टवेयर? वायरस रिमूवल टूल। विच सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोटेक्ट्स कंप्यूटर फ्रॉम वायरस? एंटीवायरस। व्हाट इज मालवेयर? मैलिशियस सॉफ्टवेयर। What is spyware? Data stealing software. What is adware? Advertisement software. What is ransomware? Data locking malware. What is Trojan horse? Disguised malware. What is worm? Self-reflecting malware. What is phishing? Online fraud. What is spam? Unwanted messages. What is firewall? Network security system. What does firewall block unauthorized access? What is encryption? Data encoding. What is decryption? Data decoding. What is password? Secret key. What is a strong password? Complex password. What is authentication? Identity verification. What is authorization? Access permission. What is biometric security? Body based security. What is fingerprint authentication? Fingerprint verification. What is face recognition? Face identification. What is OTP? One time password. What is two factor authentication? Double security. What is hacking? Unauthorized access. What is ethical hacking? Unauthorized hacking. What is white hat hacker? Ethical hacker. व्हाट इज ब्लैक हैट हैकर? क्रिमिनल हैकर। तो यहाँ पे प्रोग्रामिंग बेसिक का क्वेश्चन आता है। व्हाट इज प्रोग्रामिंग? राइटिंग इंस्ट्रक्शन। व्हाट इज अ प्रोग्राम? सेट ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शंस। व्हाट इज प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज? इंस्ट्रक्शंस लैंग्वेज। व्हाट इज मशीन लैंग्वेज? बाइनरी लैंग्वेज। व्हाट इज असेंबली लैंग्वेज? सिंबॉलिक लैंग्वेज। व्हाट इज हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज? यूजर फ्रेंडली लैंग्वेज। Which language is machine dependent? Machine language. Which language is machine independent? High level language. What is compiler? Language translator. What is interpreter? Line by line translator. Which translator converts whole program at once? Compiler. Which translator converts program line by line? Interpreter. What is source code? Original program. What is object code? Machine code. What is algorithm? Step by step solution. What is flowchart? Graphical algorithm. What symbol is used for start stop in flowchart? Oval. What symbol is used for process in flowchart? Rectangle. What symbol is used for decision in flowchart? Diamond. What symbol is used for input output? Parallelogram. What is CDO code? Informal algorithm. What is debugging? Error removal. What is syntax error? Grammar mistake. What is logical error? Wrong logic. What is runtime error? Execution time error. What is variable? Data holder. What is constant fixed value? What is data type? Type of data. What is integer data type? Whole number. What is float data type? Decimal number. What is character data type? Single character. What is string? Group of characters. What is operator? Operation symbol. What is arithmetic operator? Mathematical operator. What is relational operator? Comparison operator. What is logical operator? Logical decision operator. What is assignment operator? Value assignment. What is conditional statement? Decision statement. What is if statement? Conditional statement. What is if else statement? Two-way decision. What is loop? Repetition structure. What is for loop? Count control loop. What is while loop? Condition control loop. What is do while loop? Exit control loop. What is infinite loop? Endless loop. What is break statement? Loop termination. What is continue statement? Skip iteration. What is function? Reusable code block. What is user defined function? User created function. What is built-in function? Predefined function. What is parameter? Function input. What is return statement? Return value. What is recursion? Function calling itself. What is array? Collection of same data. What is index in array? Element positioning. What is multi-dimensional array? Arrow of arrays. What is pointer? Address holder. What is a structure? Group of variables. What is file handling? File operations. What is input stream? Data input flow. यहाँ सिक्योरिटी का क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट होता है. व्हाट इज डाटा बैकअप? डाटा कॉपी. व्हाट इज रीस्टोर? रिकवर डाटा. व्हाट इज असेस कंट्रोल? परमिशन मैनेजमेंट. व्हाट इज ऑडिट ट्रेल एक्टिविटी लॉग. What is data integrity? Data accuracy. What is confidentially? Data secrecy. What is availability? Data access readiness. What is CIA tried confidentially? Integrity availability. What is intrusion detection system? Attack detection system. What is IDS? Intrusion detection system. कंप्यूटर सिक्योरिटी का एडवांस वर्जन का क्वेश्चन है. What is IPS? Intrusion prevention system. What is the role of IPS? Block attack. What is antivirus signature? Virus pattern. What is heuristic analysis? Behavior based detection. What is sandboxing? Isolated execution. What is patch management? Software update. What is vulnerability? Security weakness. What is exploit? Vulnerability misuse. What is zero day attack? Unknown vulnerability attack. What is DDoS attack? Distributed traffic flood. What is the full form of DDoS? Distributed denial of service. What is social engineering? Human manipulation. What is shoulder surfing? Password spying. What is key logging? Keystroke recording. What is brute force attack? Password guessing attack. What is salting in password? Random data addition. What is hashing? One way encryption. What is digital certificate? Identity proof. What is PKI? Public key infrastructure. What is public key? Shared encryption key. यहाँ प्रोग्रामिंग एंड सॉफ्टवेयर के बेसिस पे कॉन्सेप्ट के बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट इज प्राइवेट की? सीक्रेट इंक्रिप्शन की. व्हाट इज सॉफ्टवेयर टेस्टिंग? बग डिटेक्शन. व्हाट इज यूनिट टेस्टिंग? मॉड्यूल टेस्टिंग. व्हाट इज इंटीग्रेशन टेस्टिंग? कंबाइंड मॉड्यूल टेस्टिंग. व्हाट इज सिस्टम टेस्टिंग? फुल सिस्टम टेस्टिंग. What is acceptance testing? User validation. What is SDLC? Software development cycle. What is the full form of SDLC? Software development life cycle. What is requirement analysis? User need analysis. What is software design? System blueprint. What is coding? Program writing. What is testing phase? Error checking phase. What is maintenance? Post release support. What is waterfall model? Sequential SDLC model. What is agile model? Agile model. Iterative development model. What is bug? Software error. What is patch? Bug fix update. What is version control? Code change tracking. What is repository? Code storage. What is Git? Version control system. What is GitHub? Code hosting platform. What is open source software? Free source code software. What is proprietary software? Closed source software. What is licensing software? Usage rights. What is freeware? Free to use software. What is shareware? Trial software. What is middleware? Connecting software layer. What is API? Application interface. What is full form of API? Application Programming Interface. What is IDE? Coding Environment. यहाँ पे प्रोग्रामिंग एंड डाटा बेस का बेसिक क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट इज आईडीई फुल फॉर्म्स? इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट एनवायरनमेंट. व्हाट इज डीबगिंग टूल? एरर फाइंडिंग टूल. व्हाट इज कंपाइलर एरर? ट्रांसलेशन एरर. व्हाट इज लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर एंड सिंबल? एंड सिंबल. व्हाट इज लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर और सिंबल स्लैश दो गो सिंबल हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज नॉट ऑपरेटर सिस्टम? दैट इज एरर का मार्क हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज बूलियन डाटा टाइप? ट्रू और फॉल्स हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज कंडीशनल ऑपरेटर? टर्नरी ऑपरेटर. व्हाट इज लूप काउंटर? इटरेशन वेरिएबल. व्हाट इज नेस्टेड लूप? लूप इनसाइड लूप. यहाँ पे डाटाबेस कॉन्सेप्ट का क्वेश्चन है. तो चलिए, व्हाट इज डाटाबेस? ऑर्गेनाइज डाटा कलेक्शन. व्हाट इज डीबीएमएस? डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ डीबीएमएस? डाटाबेस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. What is the full form of RDBMS? Relational DBMS. What is the full form of RDBMS? Relational Database Management System. What is table in database? Rows and column. What is record? Table row. What is field? Table column. What is primary key? Unique identifier. What is foreign key? Reference key. What is SQL? Database query language. What is the full form of SQL? The structure query language. What is select command used for data retrieval? What is insert command used for add data? What is update command used for modify data? What is delete command used for remove data? What is where clause? Condition filter. What is order by clause? Sorting data. What is group by clause? Data grouping. What is aggregate function? Summary function. यहाँ पे सिक्योरिटी एंड नेटवर्किंग का मिक्स क्वेश्चन है जो आता ही आता है एग्जाम में. तो चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं. व्हाट इज डाटा ब्रीच? डाटा लीकेज. व्हाट इज साइबर फॉरेंसिक्स? डिजिटल इन्वेस्टिगेशन. व्हाट इज इंसिडेंट रिस्पॉन्स? अटैक हैंडलिंग. व्हाट इज रिस्क हरासमेंट? रिस्क एवेल्यूशन. What is backup policy? Backup tools. What is access log? Login record. What is secure boot? Trusted startup. What is BIOS security? Firmware protection. What is system hardening? Security strengthening. What is endpoint security? Device protection. यहाँ पे प्रोग्रामिंग एंड आईटी अवेयरनेस का क्वेश्चन है जो कुछ कुछ एग्जाम में पूछता है कभी कभार. व्हाट इज क्लाउड बेस्ड एप्लीकेशन? ऑनलाइन एप्लीकेशन. व्हाट इज CAAS? एग्जाम्पल गूगल DOC एस. व्हाट इज क्रॉस प्लेटफॉर्म सॉफ्टवेयर? मल्टी OS सॉफ्टवेयर. What is mobile application? App for smartphones. What is app store? App download platform. What is Play Store? Android Play Store. What is software update? Improve versions. What is software patch? Bug fix. What is digital skill? Tech ability. What is IT literacy? Computer awareness. तो यहाँ पे लास्ट है सिक्योरिटी और डाटाबेस और प्रोग्रामिंग का फाइनल मिक्स क्वेश्चन है जो इम्पोर्टेंट है. ऊपर वाला पढ़ लिए हैं तो आपको ये जल्दी से याद हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज डाटा लॉस? डाटा डिलेशन. व्हाट इज डाटा रिकवरी? रिस्टोर डिलेटेड डाटा. व्हाट इज सिक्योर डिलीशन? परमानेंट डाटा रिमूवल. व्हाट इज सिस्टम ऑडिट? सिक्योरिटी इन्फेक्शन इंस्पेक्शंस. व्हाट इज कंप्लायंस रूल? एडहेरेंस. What is GDPR? Data protection law. What is access privilege? User permission level. What is least privilege principle? Minimum access rule. What is audit log? Activity record. What is CIEM? Security monitoring system. What is the full form of CIEM? Security information and event management. What is log monitoring? Log analysis. What is database normalization? Reduce data redundancy. What is first normal form? Automatic values. What is redundancy? Data duplication. What is data consistency? Data informity. What is data database backup, database copy, what is transaction, database operation, what is ACID property, transaction rules. What does ACID stand for? Automaticity, consistency, isolation, durability. What is commit, safe transaction? What is rollback, undo transaction? What is deadlock, resource wait condition? What is concurrency control, multi-user control? What is expectation handling, error handling mechanism? What is try catch block, expectation handling block? What is object oriented programming, object based programming? What is class object blueprint? What is object instance of class? What is inheritance property sharing? What is polymorphism, many forms? What is encapsulation, data hiding? What is abstraction, hide complexity? What is constructor, object initializer? What is destructor, object cleanup? What is thread, lightweight process? What is multi-threading, multiple threads execution? What is deadlock, unused code? What is code optimization, performance improvement? What is refactoring, code in restructuring? What is memory leak, unreleased memory? What is garbage collection, memory cleanup? What is virtual machine, software based computer? What is containerization, app packaging method? What is Docker container platform? What is Dev plus OPS practice? What is CI/CD, automated delivery pipeline? What is the full form of CI, continuous integration? What is the full form of CD, continuous deployment? What is monitoring system observation? What is alerting issue notification? ये तो आम बोलचाल में है कि हम लोग का फोन में भी अलर्ट आता है तो हम समझ जाते हैं कि वो नोटिफिकेशन है. What is SLA, service agreement? What is the full form of SLA? Service level agreement. What is uptime, system availability time? What is downtime, system unavailability? What is disaster recovery, post failure restoration? What is business continuity, continuous operation? What is risk mitigation, risk reduction? What is cyber resilience, attack recovery ability? What is IT governance, IT management framework? तो यहाँ पे तो आपका पार्ट 7 कंप्लीट होता है. इम्पॉर्टेंट है, आप पढ़ लीजिएगा. पहले जो पहले वाले पार्ट नहीं देखे हैं उसको कंप्लीट करिएगा. आपका एग्जाम में कंप्यूटर का एक भी छूटेगा नहीं क्वेश्चन. तो चलिए नेक्स्ट पार्ट में मिलते हैं, पार्ट 8 में. तब तक थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.